Now, Central Oregon's local alert weather with Chief Meteorologist Bob Shaw.
Good Monday morning, 20 minutes before the hour on what has been a pretty pleasant morning here. Granted, we're under mostly cloudy skies, and we have seen a scattered shower or two that has moved through. Right now, the streets of Prineville are nice and dry. So is Highway 20 and Sisters. We saw an isolated shower move across the eastern portion of the city of Bend earlier this morning, about an hour ago, and it moved out Highway 20 and has since dissipated, but we're all anticipating a little bit of this through the course of the day. 50 degrees right now at the Bend Airport, southwesterly wind at 11 miles per hour. We spent much of the morning under calm winds at the Redmond Airport. About 30 minutes ago, they picked up a little breeze out of the east, 47 degrees through there. Looking at some major storm activity that stretches from the Mexico border and the Gulf Coast of Texas and Louisiana, clear up through the central portion of our nation this morning. The southwest is in pretty good shape. We here in the northwest have been watching the development of this low pressure center. If you look closely, you can see the counterclockwise rotation within that. It has been pitching a fair amount of rain into the state of Washington and the northwestern portion of the state of Oregon. In fact, we've pushed a little bit of this down through the Columbia Basin. Only a smattering of that has touched central Oregon. You can see that we do have more moisture headed in our direction, though, so we are not done with this. In fact, as we get through the latter portion of the day, you're going to see some of the heaviest rain settle in. Right up until lunchtime, it'll be fairly spotty. Beginning about 3, 4 o'clock, it'll start to get heavier. It'll be very heavy at times right through the evening. It won't be until about midnight this starts to break up a little bit. We'll spend the night with a scattered shower here and there as we go into Tuesday morning. And that's pretty much how we'll spend all of Tuesday, is with these little spotty showers that are moving through. And then Wednesday promises to be much clearer and actually quite a bit warmer as well. So we just have a couple of chilly days to get through, not nearly what you saw over the weekend. Mild temperatures to start the day around the state. We're looking at low 40s to low 50s here on the high desert, and not much wind statewide either. The strongest winds are just now being felt along the north coast, part of that storm that's moving in. We haven't seen a great deal of wind here yet. However, this will be a fairly gusty afternoon for us as those winds start to ramp up. Highs low to mid 60s for most. We'll get a couple of spots that'll be in the upper 60s, around 70, but not too many. Winds will stay fairly gentle until we get to about lunchtime, and then from then on they get pretty blustery out of the west, and we'll see some gusts as high as 20 to 25 miles per hour. Overnight they become light and variable again, and then we'll have one more breezy afternoon as this system exits the area. Well, lows tonight will be mid-30s to low 40s once again, and looking at another cool day tomorrow. Nice on Wednesday, a little cooler Thursday. A weak system will come through. Looking forward to a nice, warm, sunny weekend.